happy Wednesday, everybody. It's John at Mountain West Autos here in Twin Falls. Woo, it's a nice day today. Middle of the week. I think we're in the 90s. But better than that, I've got a really nice 2013 Ram 1500 to show you here. So I've already got it running. Let's come up here and take a look at this 5.7 HEMI, the world famous 5.7 HEMI. Famous for its hemispherical heads. Plenty of horsepower and torque on this one. Now let's come back a little bit. Oh wow, that's a good looking truck. Looks great from the front. It's got the tow hooks. Plenty of tread left on those tires. Here's the interior. Oh, is it super clean in here. Seats are nice. Headliner is clean. It's got the dual glove boxes. AM, FM. And it looks like, yes, tow haul mode right there, traction control, your 110 power inverter. As you can see, that door looks excellent. And then in the back, oh my gosh, is it super clean back here. We've got some in-floor storage bins here. Got some storage under the seat. I'm gonna pull back so you can see just how nice this truck is from the side. You know, and the best thing about this truck, it has less than 70,000 miles on it. Looks great from the back. It's got the tow package on it. It does have the bed liner. Super clean back here. It's got the power sliding rear window. Rear quarter panel looks good. The back door looks great. Super clean in here. There's your in-floor storage bin. I'm going to go ahead and close this. Looks great down the side. This is a good looking truck. It does have a little bit of a door ding right here. And then inside, sorry, it's low on fuel, but other than that, no other warning lights. 65,276 miles. There's your stereo system, tow haul mode, traction control. This is a nice truck. 4-wheel drive shifter. Well, there's my truck. Super clean, super low miles. Call me, text me, email me. Whatever we need to do, let's get together. Thank you so much for your time. Hope you're having a great day.